Hello, and welcome to this more of a preview than a review. But at the time of recording this video, there is not that many reviews about this specific laptop, so I decided to have an unboxing and a little bit of a preview about it for anybody who's curious about this Inspirion G5 15 5505. This is a brand new laptop. I just got it today, and this is the first time unboxing it with you. And let's see what it's about. So apparently this is one of the newest models that Dell are offering, and I actually had to wait for almost 3 weeks for it to be delivered because it had to be assembled first. And that's one of the reasons why there are not that many reviews about it. So, quick spec details. So the specification of this laptop, it has the Ryzen 7 4800H processor. It has the Radeon RX 5600M graphics card. It has 512 gigabytes of M2 SSD. M2 means that it's directly on the motherboard, so no SATA connection. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, dual channels, so two pieces of 8 gigabytes of DDR 3200 megahertz. It's a 15-inch screen, anti-glare, LED backlit, 144 hertz refresh rate, and it has 300 nits. So to the actual laptop. So this is not gonna be a professional review. This is more for the curious. If you are curious about this laptop and thinking of buying it, this might give you a good idea if you want to buy it or not. So here we got the laptop, and of course on the outside they call this chassis the Supernova cover because it comes in this nice rainbow reflection mode thing. It's pretty neat actually. I'm liking it. Alright, let's open it up. Actually, that looks kind of grand. I like it. Okay, so apparently I will need to charge it first. So I'm gonna pause the video here and continue in a little bit. Alright, and this is the charger. It's kind of blocky, not that heavy. Actually, it's kind of heavy for a charger. I would say it's like 2 pounds maybe. I don't know. Okay, so I'll charge it up and I'll show you how it looks like in a little bit. Alright, so now it's all plugged in. There is a nice little LED here for the charger indicating that there is electricity. So a quick note here that the chassis is, I'm really liking the chassis. It's really resistant to scratches and to smudges. A quick look at the ports here. We have some USB ports. Don't know what that is. There's SD card. There is this one is for the speakers. And here we have an HDMI over here. We have an SS one over here. Alright, so we're about to turn it on for the first time and see how it goes. Alright, there's a nice little backlit LED on the keyboard. Alright, let's see it. So again, this video's purpose is to take you through everything that happens when you first unbox this laptop. I'm not even sure what that message meant, but I just clicked continue. Seems like it's going well. And of course here we see that Windows is setting up. It has Windows 10 Home on it.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay, I'm gonna set up
A
Windows.
sign in here.
Okay, so I just put in some settings, the Wi-Fi password, and the initial Windows 10 setup. And I just want to say that you don't have to charge this laptop for 24 hours or 8 hours or whatever. It does have a lithium battery, which does not need that. Okay, now the laptop is all ready, and there is this kind of a neat background actually. This came already set up, and here it says that 10 minutes until fully charged, and the laptop has been charging for roughly, what, 30 minutes? So that's decent. Okay, so the keyboard does have this numeric pad. It's a pretty nice keyboard to the touch actually. I'm liking typing on it. I'm feeling like these are gonna be a little bit not annoying, but might take a little bit of an adjustment period, which is fine. Alright, and one more thing about this laptop, I noticed that it has a nice ventilation area in here, because apparently it's a pretty powerful laptop. I mean, it's one of the best ones in the mid-range. I wouldn't say it's a pretty powerful one, but it's a mid-range to high-end laptop, and it's actually a bang for the buck. Like, I spent 3 days, almost 8 hours a day just looking for laptops, and it was Memorial Day weekend deals, and all of that was happening. And I still got this one, not on sale, just because it's that much of a bang for the buck, I think. So yeah, based on the i7 alternatives and alternative NVIDIA cards, this one should outperform them for the same price range. Alright, I might be following up with a video about its performance, because apparently there is some special software for the AMD processor and AMD graphic card, and apparently that makes the processor and the graphic card work together more efficiently. Therefore, I'll follow up with an actual review of the laptop, but for now, this is the initial preview of this laptop. Also, before buying this laptop, I found one review about this laptop online before it was released, and I will link it in the description. That review is very professional. It helped me. So in case you found this one first, I will leave a link in the either the first comment and pin it also in the description. Alright, like and subscribe if you like. I'll be following with more tech related videos, and hope this was insightful. Peace.